Okay, so guys, we're back outside. We can't go to sleep because this is horrible. You can see the straight lightning bolts. It threw the clouds. Yeah, I know. And it's sharp fucking rocks and I'm barefooted. I get on a snake, I'm killing you. Ooh, that was cool.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, I own the snake, but no. I don't like stepping on the wild ones. Because they reach back and actually fucking bite the shit out of you. I was only bit once by my snake. And it was a friend's fault.
Oh.
Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah, dude.
I'm not a dude. You're the dude.
Sorry, baby. Come here. I love you.
I love you too.
We're crazy.
Yep. But you gotta go to bed soon. You gotta go to work tomorrow.
I know. Yeah, guys, I gotta go to work at 8:30 in the morning right now, and it is 1:57.
I have something sharp in my foot. Don't know what it is, but I can feel it.
Probably a rock. I
Probably.
can't even feel my feet right now.
Or thorn again. Because the girls wanted me to get on blackberries today. And guess what my dumbass did? Got on blackberries. Okay, yep. We're hearing thunder rolling. I'm hearing thunder roll now. It's getting close. The lightning. Yeah, the wind's picking up too.
Yeah, guys, wind's starting to pick up. Y'all clearly see the giant funnel cloud of lightning.
Not really a funnel cloud just
Not
yet.
even a funnel. There's a big funnel cloud there. Oh my god.
Yeah.
They lit up purple, guys. Holy shit.
Yeah, I've seen purple lightning before, but that was on a lake, so that's a different story.
Oh yeah. Never seen purple lightning where there's not a body of water.
Yeah.
Bright, yeah, it's getting brighter too every step
Yeah,
I
we
take
need to
back.
go back inside before this hits.
Every step I take.
Because it's getting worse. It's lighting up the whole house. Turn around.
Yeah, it is.
Like you see the whole freaking house.
How come the further away we get,
The brighter it gets.
bigger and brighter it's going to get.
I don't know, but I can't see anything anymore. Alright guys, we gotta go. Because it's getting really close.
Oh yeah.
Noah said this last time. But
It's really,
apparently it wasn't.
like y'all can see
Yeah,
right
it's
now,
really,
right
really
there.
close. It's right there. And it could be a possible funnel cloud, so we're gonna get ready to go in the shelter if we have to. Bye guys.